Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to plot a rectangle text box in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Then we go to the insert menu. Select the text box and draw a text box, plot rectangle. Now you can see here the text box is a rectangle. You can write anything. Click inside the text box and write anything. You can increase the font size. Then select the text box and go to the shape format menu. You can add the shape fill color, otherwise the outline color. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.